Artificial intelligence stands poised to revolutionize our world, promising unprecedented levels of productivity and wealth creation. This technological leap could generate an abundance of goods and services, transforming industries and economies on a global scale. The question then arises, how will this immense wealth be distributed among humanity? This isn't merely a theoretical exercise. As AI systems become more capable, they will increasingly automate tasks currently performed by humans. This shift could lead to a significant increase in overall societal wealth, but it also presents a profound challenge regarding economic equity. Historically, technological advancements have often led to job displacement before new opportunities emerge. With AI, the scale and speed of this transformation could be far greater than anything we have witnessed before. This raises concerns about widespread unemployment and an exacerbation of wealth inequality. If the benefits of AI are concentrated in the hands of a few, societal stability could be jeopardized. We must consider how to ensure that the prosperity generated by AI is shared broadly, preventing a future where a small elite thrives while the majority struggles. New economic paradigms may be necessary to navigate this transition successfully. Sam Altman, a prominent figure in the AI landscape and CEO of OpenAI, has been a vocal proponent of proactive solutions to this impending challenge. He envisions a future where AI generates so much wealth that traditional economic models become obsolete. His core idea revolves around ensuring everyone benefits from this AI-driven prosperity. Altman suggests that a form of universal basic income, or UBI, funded by the immense output of AI, could be a viable solution. This would provide a safety net, ensuring that all citizens have their basic needs met, regardless of their employment status. It represents a fundamental rethinking of how we define work and value in society. Altman's vision extends beyond simple UBI. He proposes that every citizen could effectively become a shareholder in the AI economy. This could involve distributing AI dividends, or shares in the collective wealth generated by advanced AI systems. Such a system would directly link individual prosperity to the overall success of AI. Imagine a world where a portion of the profits from AI-driven industries is regularly distributed to every citizen. This mechanism would allow everyone to participate directly in the economic upside of AI. It aims to create a more equitable distribution of wealth, moving beyond traditional wage-based compensation. The potential benefits of such a system are transformative. It could virtually eliminate poverty, reduce economic stress, and free individuals to pursue education, creative endeavors, or community service. A society where basic needs are met could foster innovation and human flourishing in unprecedented ways. However, implementing such a radical shift presents significant hurdles. Questions arise about the exact mechanisms of funding, the potential for inflation, and the psychological impact of a society less reliant on traditional work. Careful planning and societal consensus would be crucial for a successful transition. Sam Altman's vision challenges us to think deeply about the future of work, wealth, and human purpose. It underscores the need for proactive policymaking and societal dialogue as AI continues its rapid development. We must collectively decide how to harness this powerful technology for the benefit of all. The future of wealth distribution in an AI-powered world is not predetermined. It is a choice we must make as a society. By exploring ideas like those proposed by Sam Altman, we can begin to shape a future where AI truly makes us all richer, not just in material terms, but in opportunity.